Hi there, this is Paige with Stmpgrl here on YouTube, and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm sharing with you my May project for the Pinspiration collaboration. This is hosted by Kreationsby Kimber, and for this month I used this pin from Pinterest. It's from Julie Warner for DRS Designs, and I can't read the website down at the bottom, but I love honeybees, and I loved the cute little patterns of paper here. It reminded me of something similar I had in my stash, and of course the little hexagons too. So that was my inspiration piece. I made 5 cards. My cards were kind of a reminded me of the children's book, Fortunately, Unfortunately, because I misplaced a lot of things I wanted to use on the cards. So I made 2 of these. These used up some little bumblebee stickers from the Dollar Tree. I love the craft color of those. And so I took a craft card base. I was looking for my honeycomb embossing folder, could not find it. Searched and searched and searched. Looked through the same category of embossing folders 3 or 4 times. Finally found it after the cards were done. These 2 embossed pieces were gifted to me. I don't remember if it came in a pocket letter or just a collection of some embossed pieces, but I got those 2 from someone. This is a scrap of some pattern paper I used, and because I couldn't find my embossing folder, I used a background stamp from the Stamps of Life and Versamark ink to do that. The bumblebees are popped up, and excuse me, the little hello stamp. I don't recall what stamp set that's from. And then the inside is just a scrap of paper and some black cardstock. And I believe the insides are similar. Here's another one where I used an embossed piece that had been sent to me. And here's another case of Fortunately, Unfortunately. I have a die. That die cuts that background shape. Cannot find it. Looked all over, looked everywhere that it should be, and it's not. Looked everywhere where it could be, and it's not. So, fortunately, I had a couple of these panels already die cut from a project the last time I used that die, and I stored them in the box where I keep my little bee stamps, and these bee stamps are from the Stamps of Life. And I colored the bees with Copics, and then I went over the wings and the words and the embossed bees on this with Winkostella. And then this is some of the pattern paper that I had. It's really fun paper. It's real glossy, and on one side, for example, this side is 2 shades of black, and then on the other side it's 2 shades of yellow. And I just had a few sheets of those patterns left. I tried to look online to see if I could find more, but I didn't have any luck searching for it. And then here's the inside of this one. This is another one of the pattern papers that I used a little scrap of. And then I have this card right here. This is another pattern from the set. Another one that I had extra in my stamp box. These little bee stickers are puffy, and they are from Paper Studio. And then the inside, I just added another little bee. This little guy's holding up a sign that says hi, and I also used him on the front there. This one's holding a flower. These 2 are flying, and that one's just standing there smiling. And then my last card is this one. This was another one of those pattern papers. This panel is popped up with craft foam. Here's another one of the die cut backgrounds that I had. I only had 3 of them, and I used all 3 of them here. This is washi tape from Doodlebug, and I just put it onto some white cardstock, and then I used a 5/8 inch punch and punched some of those bees out. And then here's the inside. Here's some more, another strip of the washi tape down at the bottom. So those are my 5 cards inspired by this honeybee card that I pinned on Pinterest. I'd like to thank you for joining me. Down below I'll leave a link to all the participants in this collaboration, so please be sure and check them out to get some ideas and see the wonderful projects that they've made. And now I'm off to create.